In Audacity, it's really easy to remove vocals and voice from music. There's really just one method which gives good results in Audacity. And that is to simply use the vocal reduction and isolation effect. Hi, I'm Marlon and I will show you how. Make sure you have imported the audio file you want to work on. Select the entire audio track here or the part you want to work on with the selection tool by pressing F1 or here. Grab the vocal reduction and isolation effect. This will give this pop-up menu. There are a few settings you can use. By pressing preview, you can hear how much the vocal will be reduced before you apply the reduction. And you will be using this one a lot. The most important setting is strength. It sets the amount of vocal reduction. 0 is no reduction and 50 is the most thorough one. Now, the amount of reduction comes with a trade-off. And that is that the music will also be affected more with the increase of vocal reduction. This means we have to find a balance of where the voice is reduced the most and where the music still sounds good enough. So change setting, preview, change setting, preview, and do this until you have a good result. There are two more things you can adjust, and those are the low cut and high cut for vocals. If you look at the frequency graph of my voice here, you'll see there are points where the frequencies of my voice roll off in both high end and low end. By using the high and low cut here, you can set which parts of the total frequencies of the music will be unaffected for the vocal reduction. If the music has a very low voice, you can set the low cut to a lower frequency and the same for the high cut. Do the opposite for a high-pitched voice. You can also use this to bring back life to music when it's severely affected by the vocal reduction. Preview, adjust, preview and adjust. You can hear that playing around with these settings can bring back high frequencies in the music. But also some of the T's and S's. Tweak around until you find the right settings. The default setting of a low cut around 250 Hz and a high cut of 10,000 Hz usually works fine. If you're done, export the file. If you cannot get the result you want with Audacity, I recommend you check out the website lalalal.ai. It offers a free vocal remove and extraction of 3 tracks. Check out the video displayed on screen and the link in the description to check out how that works. That video was made just before they introduced the free plan, but it works in exactly the same way. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!